Hi friends, here are two easy to play songs for Halloween. Both of these songs have just 2 chords and kids will love them. So will grown-ups. The first song is called Stirring My Brew, and the 2 chords you need are an A minor chord and a D minor chord. So I just leave my middle finger down so I can find the D minor chord. I've made a free song sheet with this and it's available at a link in the video description. The song sheet has the chords, the lyrics, and the melody all tabbed out for you. So please go grab that. I hope it serves you and your family well. This is a song in 3/4 time, so the strumming pattern goes like this. Pluck the 4th string with your thumb and then brush the other strings 2 times. You can brush with your index or your full fingers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and here we go. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh, get spooky. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. And then you can end on an A minor chord. You can also add an extra spooky note with your pinky. The G sharp at the 4th fret of the 2nd string makes a really dissonant sound extra spooky. Let's do this again so you can practice it. This time I'm going to add some extra techniques, play it in kind of chord melody with some tremolo. You can strum the chords like we just did, and I'll be teaching these more advanced things in the bonus content at the community. Hello, Pablo. Good to have you here, kitty. Now let's do it again, and then I'll teach you the second song. And hey, if you're enjoying this, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube to share my content more widely so more ukulele players can learn to play and have a lot more fun with their music. Thanks so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of spooky Halloween songs you want to learn next time around. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get spooky. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh. You can do that as many times as you like, and then tip. Boo! How you feeling, Pablo? Pablo is the token black cat for the holiday. Well, have fun with that one. Song number 2 is a sweet song, really happy song in the key of C major. So the 2 chords, well, 3 chords you'll need are C, C, and then a G, and you can have a G7 in there as well. So you can play it as a 2 chord or a 3 chord song. And while I get in tune and snuggled by Pablo, let's get started. The song is also in 3/4 time, so 1, 2, 3, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern, you are such a spooky sight. As you sit there in the window, looking out at the night. You were once a pretty pumpkin, growing on a sturdy vine. Now you are my jack-o'-lantern, let your candlelight shine. Now you are my jack-o'-lantern, let your candlelight shine. A simple song, and if you've led songs with grown-ups and kids, you know, continue to repeat it. You can invite them to hum the melody. It's a sweet little ditty. I know it's not Ghostbusters or Michael Jackson's Thriller, but it's a really sweet song, and kids love it. I've been singing these all over the neighborhood for the last week. Let's play that one more time to practice it. Please be sure to download the free song sheet with tablature, lyrics, and chords down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you dug it, and leave a comment down below with your suggestions for other spooky Halloween songs. Here we go. Oh, hey, that was a little spooky there. Hashtag unedited. You still hungry? Jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern, you are such a spooky sight. As you sit there in the window, looking out at the night. You were once a pretty pumpkin, growing on a sturdy vine. Now you are my jack-o'-lantern, let your candlelight shine. Now you are my jack-o'-lantern, let your candlelight shine. Happy Halloween. Good thing I'm wearing armor. I wish you and yours a happy holiday season. Till next time, keep on jamming.